Thought I'd talk about the tin shears. Very important when you're cutting. So this old pair I saved because I didn't like them really, honestly. They just didn't work very well. I tried tightening them up. They still didn't work very well. And I saved them because it was another pair I could have around because a poor pair of tin shears is better than no pair. So if you can't find the ones you like, at least you'd still have something. So I saved them. And then in this case, I thought, you know what? What if I try to sharpen them and then give them some dry lubricant and test them again? So I used my stone here, pulled them apart as far as I could, and I put a slight angle to it, which seems to be what they had. And I just went across them several times on each side, many times, for about a half a minute. And then some dry lubricant, and lo and behold, they seem to work a lot better. So I'm really glad I did not get rid of them. And actually, I find myself grabbing them now over some of the other ones I have. So keep them sharpened, keep them lubricated, and they'll do much better. I noticed with the aluminum also, I think because of the aluminum oxide on the surface, this is older aluminum, I think it gets in there and kind of binds up the tin shears. So I've been hitting them with the lubrication every once in a while, and it seems to make them keep working better. Just an observation.